As a seasoned accounting software expert, I understand that managing your finances efficiently is paramount to the success of your business. FreshBooks, a powerful cloud-based accounting solution, streamlines invoicing, expense tracking, and project management, making it an invaluable tool for many entrepreneurs and freelancers. However, the ultimate goal is to have those hard-earned funds readily available in your bank account. This video will walk you through the straightforward process of transferring money from your FreshBooks account to your bank, ensuring you have easy access to your revenue. We'll break down each step in simple terms, making it accessible for everyone, whether you're a seasoned business owner or just starting your entrepreneurial journey. Understanding the flow of funds in FreshBooks. Before diving into the transfer process, it's essential to understand how money typically flows into your FreshBooks account. Primarily, this occurs through online payments made by your clients. FreshBooks integrates with various payment gateways, such as Stripe and PayPal, allowing your clients to pay invoices conveniently using credit cards, debit cards, or their PayPal balances. When a client pays an invoice through one of these integrated payment methods, the funds are initially deposited into your connected payment gateway account, e.g., your Stripe account or PayPal account. FreshBooks acts as the intermediary, facilitating the payment process and recording the transaction within your accounting records. The crucial step, connecting your bank account to your payment gateway. The key to transferring funds from FreshBooks to your bank account lies in the connection you establish between your chosen payment gateway and your bank account. FreshBooks itself doesn't directly hold your funds. It's the payment gateway that acts as the holding point before the money is routed to your bank. Therefore, the first and most crucial step is to ensure that your bank account is correctly linked to the payment gateways you've integrated with FreshBooks. Here's how you typically do this for the most common gateways. For Stripe, log in to your Stripe dashboard. Navigate to the Stripe website and log in using your Stripe account credentials. Go to the Balances or Payouts section. This section is usually located in the main navigation menu. Add or verify your bank account. If you haven't already, you'll need to add your bank account details. This typically involves providing your bank's routing number, account number, and potentially verifying the account through a small test deposit or by uploading a bank statement. If you've already added your bank account, ensure the details are accurate and up to date. Configure your payout schedule. Stripe allows you to customize how frequently payouts are sent to your bank account. You can typically choose from options like daily, weekly, or monthly payouts. Select the schedule that best suits your cash flow needs. For PayPal, log in to your PayPal account. Go to the PayPal website and log in to your business PayPal account. Navigate to Wallet or Money. This section usually displays your PayPal balance and connected bank accounts. Link a bank account. If you haven't already, click on the option to link a bank account. You'll be prompted to enter your bank's routing number and account number. PayPal may also require you to confirm your bank account through a small test deposit. Set up automatic transfers. Optional PayPal often has options for automatic transfers to your linked bank account based on a certain balance threshold or frequency. You can configure these settings according to your preferences. Initiating the transfer. It happens automatically. Once you've correctly connected your bank account to your payment gateway and configured your payout settings, the transfer of funds from FreshBooks to your bank account becomes largely automatic. Here's how the process generally unfolds. Client payment. Your client pays an invoice through the FreshBooks payment link, and the funds are deposited into your connected payment gateway account, Stripe, or PayPal. Payment gateway processing. The payment gateway processes the transaction and holds the funds temporarily according to their internal procedures and your chosen payout schedule. Automatic payout. Based on the payout frequency you've set within your payment gateway account, the funds are automatically initiated for transfer to your linked bank account. Bank processing. Your bank receives the transfer request from the payment gateway and processes the deposit into your business bank account. The time it takes for the funds to appear in your account can vary depending on your bank's processing times and the payment gateway's transfer speed, typically ranging from 1 to 3 business days. Important considerations and best practices. Review your payment gateway settings regularly. It's good practice to periodically log into your Stripe or PayPal dashboards to ensure your bank account information is still accurate and your payout schedule remains aligned with your needs. Monitor your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank statements to confirm that the transfers from your payment gateway are being received as expected. Understand processing fees. Be aware that payment gateways typically charge transaction fees for processing online payments. These fees are usually deducted before the funds are transferred to your bank account. Familiarize yourself with the fee structures of the gateways you use. Reconcile your accounts. Regularly reconcile your FreshBooks transactions with your bank statements to ensure accuracy and identify any discrepancies. Contact support if needed. If you encounter any issues with transferring funds, don't hesitate to reach out to the support teams of both FreshBooks and your payment gateway. They can provide specific guidance and troubleshoot any problems you may be experiencing.